Hi everyone! So we are here in Blonsfield Subdivision, Lumbia, Cagayan de Oro, Uptown CDO. So this lot property, 216 square meter, asking price is 23K per square meter and negotiable po. So if you can see guys, so gifeel na ko ang ambience o ang community dere. So peaceful kaayo and quiet. So guys, it's around 150 mga homeowners dere. So it's a small community ragyod. So if you can see, naragid diha ang gate, ang guard. So look around the palibot, no? Diba? So, over there, naadiha ang clubhouse ug ang overlooking dito sa Cagayan de Oro River. So, nice gid Japan diri guys. Kay it's a exclusive and high-end subdivision. The same time, 24/7 with security guarded gid siya. So, dili kay mo madisturbo, safe gid siya kaayo diri. Pero no worries, kay dora kay ang Gaisano Uptown and SM Uptown, Food Park, Pueblo Business Park, mga coffee shop, and 24/7 convenience store. So, square meter, high-end residential lot for sale. Call me, PM me, Joanne Finado, #CDO Living. Bye!